Let's talk about your face. Not makeup, not filters. Your actual structure. Because a face that's naturally beautiful isn't about being fair-skinned or having big eyes. It's about something called facial harmony and symmetry. So what is that? Facial harmony means all your features, your jaw, cheekbones, nose, lips, forehead, exist in balance. Nothing sticks out awkwardly, nothing looks off. It flows. Facial symmetry means both sides of your face look similar. Not exactly identical, but the more symmetrical your face, the more people subconsciously find it attractive. Now here's the thing. You were probably born with good harmony. Most kids are. But over time, your daily habits change your face. It doesn't show overnight. But day after day, your face reshapes itself based on pressure. And a bad pressure equals bad changes. So here are the things you need to stop doing right now if you want to fix your face. Mouth breathing. It weakens your jaw, makes your face longer, and gives you that tired, droopy look. Plus, it dries out your mouth and messes with your health. Resting with your mouth open. Even slightly open lips signal your body to drop the jaw. Your chin goes weak, your cheeks flatten, and your lips lose shape. Chewing on one side only, you're training your face to be uneven. One side gets bulkier while the other side fades. Sleeping face down. When you smush your face into your pillow, one side takes more pressure. It literally molds your bones and soft tissue differently. Now let's talk about what you should be doing. Breathe through your nose at all times, day and night. It helps your facial muscles stay lifted and your tongue stay in place. You can even mouth tape at night if needed. Keep your lips sealed, teeth lightly touching, and tongue on the roof of your mouth. This is the golden posture. We'll get into that in detail in the next section. Chew evenly on both sides, not just for digestion. This balances your masseter muscles and keeps your jawline symmetrical. Fix your posture. Always keep your neck long, chin slightly tucked, and shoulders back. Your spine supports your entire skull. And when it's misaligned, your face pays the price. This is where the real game changer begins. Mewing. Your tongue posture literally controls the shape of your face. When your tongue is in the right place, it gently pushes upward on your maxilla. That's the upper jawbone. This lifts your cheekbones, aligns your nose, tightens your jawline. Here's how to do it properly. Swallow your saliva. Just do a normal swallow, not forced. Notice where the tip of your tongue touches when you say N. That spot is your anterior palate. It's the front part of your mouth's roof. Place your tongue tip on that same spot. Not behind your teeth, slightly higher. Now flatten the rest of your tongue against the entire roof. This part takes practice. The middle and back of your tongue should also be lifted. It might feel awkward at first, but that's normal. Keep your lips closed, teeth gently touching, not clenched, and breathe through your nose. This is your default resting face posture. Now that the inside is healing, let's sculpt the outside. Facial massages help drain lymphatic fluid, release tension, stimulate blood flow, and tone your muscles. Do it 3 to 4 times a week, ideally with a light facial oil or moisturizer. Massage 1. Jawline shaper, use your index and middle fingers. Start at your chin and glide up along the jaw to your earlobes. Do this on both sides, slowly, 10 times. Use firm but gentle upward strokes. Massage 2. Cheekbone lifter, use your knuckles or a gua sha. Start near your nose and sweep up toward your temples. This helps sculpt the cheek area and drain puffiness. Massage 3. Nose definition, use your index fingers to gently glide down the sides of your nose. Pinch lightly along the bridge and release. Helps with sinus drainage and puffiness around the eyes too. And always move upwards and outwards. Never drag your skin down. Every single day, your habits are either hurting your face or healing it. So now that you know the truth, it's your turn to take control. Breathe right, chew right, mew every day, massage your face, fix your posture, These small actions, repeated daily, reshape your entire appearance.